Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from my title, I am going to be unboxing the Macy's May 2018 bag. I love this bag. This is probably one of my favorite bags so far that I got from Macy's. It's really beautiful. But before I begin, if you like unboxings, please give this a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe already. And leave a comment down below. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Ann, and welcome to our channel. Alright, so Macy's is a $15 a month subscription, and I've noticed I've been getting billed $15.99, so it depends, I guess, where you live, how much tax that they charge. So I say about $16 a month. So it comes in like a little box like this, and the bag is just in there, and then also inside the box is like a little brochure. I haven't looked at it, but I will show you that you do get a $5 off through Macy's. So if you use that, there's no limit either on how much you spend to get the $5 off. So if you look at that, it's about $10, same as Ipsy. All right, so this is what the bag looks like. It's like a rose gold. It's a really beautiful. And then when you open it up, it has a little Macy's, a little logo. And when you open it up, it always comes like really pretty wrapped up in this pink tissue paper. So let's begin and see what is in here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the first thing that I see. Oh, this is a good thing already. So the first thing I see is from Dolce & Gabbana. This is, what is this? I guess it's called Garden. This is a little sample size perfume. And let's see. I'm going to spray. It has a little sprayer. Let's see. I'm not going to put it on me because I don't know if I like it. That's an okay smell. Not too bad. It's a little strong, so, and it doesn't come all the way filled up either. I mean, these are small anyway, but usually when I used to get Sephora Play, they used to fill it up, but this is like halfway. And there's nothing leaking, so it didn't leak out, so. But this is okay. It's a little strong for me, but if it, I don't know, maybe in time it not loosens up. Oh my God. You know, it's not as strong as time goes by, but if it stayed like that, I don't like it. It's a little too strong for me. Okay, moving on. The next thing we have is, what is this? This is from Nude. What is this? Illuminati. Not an Illuminati like that thing, Illuminati, like, you know, you're naughty. And so I guess it's a highlighter. So that's, oh my God, that's a really good size sample because these cream highlighters take a while to use up. Let me see what it is. And okay, what is this? This is from Nude Sticks. Okay, this is all over the face, color in Illuminati, like naughty. You can see right there. And full size would be $30. So let's just see how it is. Oh, this is really pretty. I do like that, actually. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but it is really pretty. The only thing is when you have foundation on, I would never go like this because it can take the foundation off. So what I usually do is, you know, kind of smooth it with my finger to get it warmed, and then I just kind of like dab it on. So that's what I do with this, but yeah, that is actually really pretty. It's like subtle, but pretty. So I like that. Okay, the next thing we got, oh, is a Tarte Park Avenue Princess. I've never tried this bronzer, and it's a decent size sample, and I've always wanted to. So let's see. There we go. It's a little light for me, but that's okay. I can make it work. It's buildable, so that's right there. Let's see if I can do it again. See, yeah, it does build up. It's really pretty. It blends really good. Oh, I like that. Okay. This would be, okay, it's Tarte Amazonian Clay. Let's see, $30 would be the full size. So that's great. Oh, see, last month we got all skincare, no makeup products. So it looks like we got all makeup products this month. So I really like it. The next thing is a brow power. This is from IT Cosmetics. This is an eyebrow pencil, and this is in the color Universal Brow Pencil. So I don't know if it's like that taupe color that we got in a BoxyCharm one time. It just says Universal Brow Pencil. So I'm not going to open it up and swatch it because I'm not sure if it's like that taupe color, it's a little too light. Now I know a lot of people said if you press it hard, it gets darker, but it's a little too hard for me. And plus I like it's my NYX. I love that. I like the NYX brow pencil better than some of the higher ends. So, but let's read up on it and see what it says. It Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. Full size will be $24. Yeah, and I just don't see the, oh, Universal Taupe. Right here, if you guys can see. Yeah, so I will definitely be giving that away. All right, the next thing I see, oh, I am so excited. This is a sample size of the Bad Gal Bang, and I'm actually wearing that on my eyes today. I really like this mascara. I know a lot of people don't like it because it does clump up if you put on more than 2 coats, but I don't mind. To me, it doesn't look really clumpy, like spidery, but I really, this is my favorite mascara. I've been bragging on this mascara for a while now. And let's see, I believe it's $24, but where does it say it is? Benefit Banger, but yeah, it's $24. And I will show you what it looks like. I don't want to open it up because I already have one opened and then a few other mascaras I have open. So I am so excited to get this. I really, like this. And I believe this is like $10 or $12 for just the sample size. Now, I have to also tell you, usually what I do is I always use 2 mascaras, always. But when I use this, I only use just this. That's it. I really like it. But the trick is you cannot go in more than 2 coats. Okay. And last but not least, this is from Dermablend. This looks like another like highlighter. And I've never tried it from Dermablend. I did try like the Cover FX, which I really do like. And that looks really small, right? But these really last a long time. And it would be $33 if it was full size. So this looks like a gold color. I don't know what color. Let's see. Does it say? It just has like numbers on here. It's too small for me to read. Let's see what it says. Okay, this is new. So illuminate your skin with a perfect dewy finish with this weightless formula, which is $33. Let's see, either apply directly onto the skin or mix it with your favorite moisturizer. Now, I have tried to do that with my Cover FX, and I don't know, because I'm a little older, I am in my 40s, so when I do that, it tends to like show a lot more fine lines. So what I just do is I just kind of like put it on like this, you know, dab it on. So, but let's just see. Okay, so it doesn't have, you know, one of them stick thingies. Let's see. This is definitely a gold color. So it is a little dark for me, but I can always mix it with something. It's really pretty. I kind of put it over. Let me put it on the other side. I put it right on top of that bronzer. This is really pretty though. Okay. And a little goes a long way. So it's not bam in your face by all means. It's a very subtle, but you know, sometimes I don't want to be bam all in your face. So I like this because you can put this on and then put a powder right on top of it. So I don't know if you can see it too well because like I said, it's very subtle, but I like it. And like I said, this may not seem like a big size, but it does, a little bit goes a long way. This perfume, I'm like, why does it not come filled up? It comes halfway filled, but I don't really care for it anyway. I'd probably give it to my daughter. I am so excited about this, the mascara. I mean, that's really weird that I'm actually wearing it. The It Cosmetic is really nice. I heard that this really covers up your gray very good. I don't have gray in my eyebrows yet. I do in my hair, but I'm going to give it away to somebody that I know that will use it. So that is still exciting to even get that. Then we have this little cream highlighter that's really pretty. It is right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it because I'm in front of a window and it's been raining in Jersey all day, so there's a glare. But this is really pretty too. And then I really like this. I mean, this alone, these two alone right there to me pays for the box. I mean, I am so excited to try this, the bronzer. So yeah, I'm really excited. And like I said, then you also get this $5 off that you can use online or in the store. So that's nice. If something costs $5, you use this, you can get something for free. So that's exciting. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I was really thinking about canceling this, but I really like it this month, so I'm going to continue one more month. Let me know what you think of this box. There's the cat messing around with that backdrop. Sorry about that. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see this, if you want to continue seeing me unbox this on our channel. Let me know. And until my next video, bye.